Hello, welcome back. So, hello, welcome back to next video from Kochi to Warsaw. Like we said on the last video, today we are going to talk about.
Luggage to hospital.
Let's check it. She was packing it alone. She got everything after her pregnancy school. She was buying this everything online. I was collecting it from the in-post. So I don't know what is inside.
Side is kind of for me.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's for me.
I can see the toothbrush, so it's obviously for you, not for baby. Okay, so maybe let's start with the baby stuffs. He also want to see.
First thing in our luggage is rabbit.
You can go hospital. Okay. Okay.
You can take it out and
Okay.
see because I know what is there.
I remember you were saying in different hospitals will be different, or it depends on the country.
For sure, it depends of the country also, but also depends of hospital.
Okay.
Always you have to check list.
Okay.
In their website will be list what to take to hospital, and some hospital like as I know, I heard from another ladies that some hospitals they are providing.
It's clothes and everything, yes?
Yes.
Okay, got it. So this is all for a newborn baby. It's, cotton towels. It's for giving shower.
No, it's like it's blanket or
Okay.
for wiping, whatever.
It's kind of
It's
smooth,
always can use for anything.
Okay. And
Wet tissue.
wet tissue. Linomac. What is it called?
This is kids. They are, they will be using diapers.
Okay.
So when something will be burned on their body, you have to use this, or
Okay.
also before changing pad, you can use, and it will be. It's like oily.
Okay.
This is exactly you have to really know because it's all things after delivery.
Holy Jesus. Okay.
Like
So this is like this towel what we saw before. So it's baby clothes. Yes.
you can open this.
This could be the first dress for him. First clothes. I mean.
Small
Small socks. Okay. And
small gloves
so small.
and
Small cap. Oh, so tiny. Okay. Baby bear.
everyone will be asking you like where is his first clothes.
Okay, so this
Everything is
this
inside.
thing is first cloth.
Yeah.
Right? What is it?
It's blanket.
Okay, it's so smooth. Okay, this thing's here. So if someone will ask me, the nurse will ask me, bring me clothes. So I should take this, right? Just this bundle, like this
like
clothes.
everything is inside. You don't need to use this all because I took like if will be too much hot, you can use only some stuffs. If will be too cold, you will take this warm clothes.
Okay, so anyways, I will bring her this all. Let her
like
choose what she likes.
is. It's all his clothes during this days.
So did they say like how many pairs of clothes you have to take, or you just took it
there
like...
is some kind of list, but you can take less, you can take more. It's
how many
always...
we have?
I don't remember.
Okay. What is like really scary for me, because in India, after delivery, mostly even at night, someone should be with her. It's like a normal thing, but here, even I cannot be there at night after a baby born. How am I supposed to be leave from there?
For night, I will be alone.
That's scary. Like, if you need any help, I know some nurses will be help, but it's still...
If they will be busy.
Oh, exactly. They will be giving you food, yes?
Yes.
Okay, but because in India they're not gonna give you food if you have to pay for it. but not like here. Or mostly everyone bringing from home. For example, her mom or his mom, they will be bringing from home. Oh, okay, maybe she wanted to eat this. I know that you are saying you need sushi. I'm not gonna bring that because hospital they will give you food, so you can drink, you can eat soup. Don't worry, I will bring it for you. This thing I know because this. I brought this. I mean, from shop. This I know.
He brought this.
I learned how to change it, guys. You have to also know if you don't know. I mean, if you are preparing for a baby, it's really important. Maybe.
Here is my shoes.
Okay.
I will not take it out.
Okay.
It just shows what I will be wearing. Just
What's-
walking on the
okay,
hospital,
okay.
also to the shower,
Mm-hmm.
and my socks.
No. So is this after delivery panties, right?
Yeah, like what will be holding your
Uh-huh.
pad
Okay.
for nipples.
Okay.
Grip.
Okay. Also something maternity
It's the same.
briefs.
It's
Okay.
the same, but just another brand,
Okay.
similar kind of.
Okay.
And it's open because I was checking, like I order a corrector, because this is exactly like material.
Mm-hmm.
There is also possible to order.
This is like disposable, yes? You are using and you are throwing it away.
You can wash it,
Oh, okay.
but there is another kind of,
Mm-hmm.
and everyone is saying like, please don't buy this because it's like plastic.
Okay.
And after delivery, what will be there down, it should be breathing. You know, it should have air,
Okay.
and you can't close it under some plastic.
I got it. Similar like if you have a cut, better to open and it will be here so
Yeah.
fast. It's also kind of breathable diapers for you, yes? Not for baby.
It's everything for me.
So here is mostly like your towels, your brush, toothpaste, shampoos, right? Okay,
Yeah, I
and some
made like-
wipes.
I made like small bottles.
Like you're taking to the flight, yes? Everything like
So
great, even
don't
with
make
this.
too much space.
Toy is for you or for baby?
It's for baby.
It's for baby.
It's mine from when I was in hospital, and it was near my bed. So
Jesus. So it's so old. This one.
I wash it.
Oh yeah, I can see that you wash. That's why it's so dry.
I know it's like this much colorful. Only after
Yeah.
washing, I
Kind
saw.
of rainbow. Oh, the dog. That's why you like dogs. Your cross after delivery. It's
Yeah,
here,
my
I can see.
90s.
Yes.
I would like to have one more, but it's so difficult to find good 90. What is like all opening with buttons, and don't look like for old grandmas.
Okay. So there's even shield for nipples. I didn't know about this shop. Scam.
Nipple shield.
We bought it last day. It's a wireless electronic breast pump. Like if will be some problem with the beginning feeding, right? So we will be using this thing. It's not even opened. There are like many options and there is written how to use it. Anyways, before going to hospital, you can try to read it everything.
Yeah, I have to. I have to know how to use it, but I prefer to buy it because otherwise, if maybe I will not use it, so I can sell like a new, and someone else can use it. But if I will really need, and I will not have this in hospital, then will be problem. So better to have and not use it than opposite.
Okay.
So this could be even, I can use this also later when I will be breastfeeding like normal, but I want to keep some milk for later because, for example, I will be going somewhere and baby will be with you, so you have to give him food or with someone else,
Got it. So this This is our luggage to hospital. And I think that's enough. So see you soon next video.
Bye.
Bye bye.